Guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at question 1 from the 2024 Math Methods External Exam Paper 2. Now, you would have noticed on the channel I've started splitting up all the questions into individual videos. That way I can go into a bit more depth on each question, and also allows you guys to have a bit more study material. So if you only struggle with a certain type of question, you can go watch that in the playlist. In saying that though, the full external exam is still up on YouTube and it's still linked into this playlist here that's in the description below. If you guys need a Methods External Exam bundle pack, the link is in the description below, so you can go get your download. And if you have any questions at all in any of these videos, like I said before, make sure to comment down below and I'll try my best to answer it. And if you can timestamp it, that'd be lovely. Okay, so question 1. The probability of hitting a target in a particular binomial experiment is 0.72. Determine the mean number of hits if this experiment is repeated 8 times. So straight away they've said it's a binomial experiment, because if you are going to hit a target, there's only two options that could happen. You could hit it or you could not hit it. So here the probability of hitting a target in this case here is this. Now, the expected value or the average of that would be this multiplied by how many times you try to hit the target. Now, in saying that as well, the formula also states that idea. So the average would be your number of trials times by the probability of success. So in this case here, the number of trials is how many times they've gone to repeat it, which is 8. So it's 8 times by 0.72. So here we can just calculate that. Now this is a calculator question, so you don't have to do this without a calculator. So if we go here, this gives us around 5.76. So we can see here that C is your correct answer. Again, a pretty easy question, yet if you're not sure about this formula or the logic here, it might be a bit tricky. And saying that, if you had any questions about this, leave something in the comments below. If you need a Methods External Exam bundle pack, the link is in the description below. But otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.